yoga friends! Before we start today's fun yoga adventure, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new yoga session. In this video we're going to enjoy easy and playful yoga poses that help your body feel strong, flexible, and relaxed. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and get ready for some fun yoga time together. Let's begin our yoga journey. Take a slow breath as you gently roll out your mat and get ready to move. Stand tall and steady, breathing slowly as you feel your feet press into the ground. Lift your arms up high, stretch toward the sky, and take a deep breath in. Bend forward softly, let your head relax, and breathe out slowly. Lengthen your back, look slightly forward, and breathe in slowly. Balance calmly on one foot, breathe gently, and feel steady like a tree. Stretch your arms wide, bend your front knee, and feel strong and steady as you breathe. Sit tall, bring your feet together, and gently let your knees relax down as you breathe. Reach one arm up and over, breathing deeply as you feel a soft stretch along your side. Fold down gently, rest your body, and take slow, peaceful breaths. Reach forward gently, breathing slowly as you feel a soft stretch along your legs. Sit tall and steady, breathing in deeply as you lengthen your spine. Turn your body gently to one side, breathing slowly and feeling your back stretch. Press your feet down, lift your hips slowly, and breathe in as your chest opens. Hug your knees in close and take a slow, deep breath, feeling your body relax. Let your knees fall to the side and breathe calmly as your back gently twists. Hold your feet gently and breathe slowly, feeling playful and relaxed. Let your knees relax outward and take slow, peaceful breaths. Stretch your whole body long and take one big deep breath in. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and let your whole body feel calm and relax.